show you how to grow your own Scoby.
Just get an unflavored, call it original, store-bought kombucha, or if it's got some floaty stuff in there, great. If it doesn't, not a problem. Some sugar, tea you can do loose leaf or bagged tea. I also like using yerba mate. If you've got a kitchen scale, great. If you don't really need it. You're looking for 10-to-1 sugar to tea. Let's say we do 5 grams of tea. That'll be 50 grams of sugar. If you're using tea bags, just assume the tea bag's about 1 gram. You're gonna combine the kombucha and the sweet tea that you make, so you need a vessel that'll fit it all. If you're doing loose leaf, get 2 vessels, because you're gonna strain out the tea leaves, and it just makes it a whole lot easier. And you know, this isn't exact science. You're gonna do about 10-to-1, so let's do 10 and 100. I'm gonna mix in a little yerba mate. And you know what? Hey, look, that's 12. I'm not gonna sweat it. We'll do about 100. I mean, the kombucha doesn't care if it's exact. Yep, but there we go, more or less. And you're gonna add your hot water. Let's not get crazy. We want this to be relatively strong, just enough to dissolve the sugar. We're gonna let this guy cool down. We want the temperatures to equalize, so I'm just gonna leave both of them out on the counter. So we're gonna combine these two. We're gonna strain this one. Probably add just a little bit of water. And then you just leave that probably, I'm gonna say about a month. Throw this bad boy on there. You know, I'll put a little rubber band around it. If you touch it too much, you might make the pellicle sink. It's not dead. Oh, we can kill that. Clear example. Shouldn't have touched it. I'm not gonna touch this thing anymore. There's the first one. Fell down. Got the beginnings of a new one. So it's been 31 days. We'll call it a month. The original Scoby, at the very bottom, but we kept messing with it. We kept picking it up and looking at it, and it threw in the towel. That's our new one. And we got all this weird stuff in the middle. See that? Little stratification, if you will. Got our brewing vessel. This is just tea. I wash my hands. Right here. All right, it's pretty freaky, but this has been a little bit over 2 weeks. I'm gonna siphon this. Well, this is science, but it's not exact science. We sanitize this. I'm gonna slide this guy just on the side. We left about this much. We used up about, we'll call it that much. We've got about a cup of lemon and orange puree. Put a 1/4 cup in each one. I'm gonna fill this up. I'm gonna leave a little bit of headspace. Yeah, that's good. All right, you just cap these up. I am going to shake these up. I'm also going to put them in this bucket. This is just some bucket I had lying around. It has a lid. I'm just throwing them in there in case it does explode. Easy cleanup. We're going to leave these, what do you say, 2 days? 2 days we'll check it, and then maybe third day.